Bell pepper. I'll begin by topping and tailing. Now with our knife, we'll slice through the surface and cut around that core where all the seeds and bitter pith are located, working around the core as I go. Now here's the core with the pith and seeds, and the flesh of our bell pepper. I'll slice in half, and here I'm performing a julienne, which is great for stir fries or salads. We can also cut into a large dice, which is perfect to skewer for the grill. Here I'm cutting into a small dice, perfect for a holy trinity, which is essentially the mirepoix of Creole cuisine. And there's our bell pepper.